Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pumps. In this video, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about minting KRC-20 tokens when Casplex launch again. So every day is a school day. So if there's anything you think I missed, please let me know in the comments. Or if there's anything you think I've got wrong, I'm always open to learning new stuff. But as far as I'm concerned, this is correct. So basically, we'll go through tokenomics first. So basically, each mint is equal to one CAS, and for each token, one CAS will get you a different amount of tokens. So I made this up a while ago. So if your token isn't on it, your token of choice, don't go mad at me because I always get messages in the comments about like, oh, this isn't there or that's not there. I made this a while ago, and these are some of the ones I'm gonna get. So anyway, for example, this is Casper, the ghost of Caspa. This is a very popular one, one of the more popular ones. So for minting, every time you mint, one CAS will get you 28,700 Casper. The total supply of Casper is 28,700,000,000, and that will mean that the availability there'll be 1 million mints in total. So if everybody could only do one mint at a time, 1 million people would have Casper. But that's not the way it works. You're like last time you were able to mint up to 1,000 at a time. I'm not sure what it's going to be this time. So that is Casper. So for one CAS you get 28,700. Nacho, one CAS will get you 28,700 again, but the total supply is a bit more on this, so it's 287 million. Sorry, 287 billion, and the total number of mints is 10 million. So again, if everybody was only allowed mint once, 10 million people would have it. So it's more decentralized tokenomics on Nacho a little bit. So they're hoping that, and it's very popular. Nacho is one of the most popular ones as well. And I'm going to get some of this, and I'm going to get some Casper, and that is how that one is going to work. That's the tokenomics on that. KASPA is another one. The last two are fair launched. 100% is going to be minted, and KASPA is going to be 100% fair launched as well. KASPA and Casper didn't launch the first time. They were going to wait until the day after, but then everything crashed. Nacho is the only one that launched, and as far as I know, only 7% of it got minted. So there's still 93% or so to go. So plenty there for everybody. And then we have Gold. Gold is slightly different. They did a pre-mint, so the team pre-minted a lot of the tokens. I think 70% of the tokens, and they did an over-the-counter sale. So they gave it out to the people, And I tried to do that, but it sold out so quick. I think it sold out in 10 minutes. So that was that. But there's still 30%. So if you didn't get any gold and you want to get some, when minting launches again, there's 30% of it is going to be there for public minting. So if you want to get some of gold, that's how you can still get it. And on gold, one CAS will get you 7,680 gold. So you can see every mint is one CAS, but the amount of tokens you get is different for every KRC-20 token. That's gold. Caster is another one here. So one CAS will get you 7,000 Caster. 62% for the public minting. So some of them are pre-minted as well. I don't think they were doing an over-the-counter sale. I think that was for sex and dex listings and stuff like that. I see in one of their groups they're talking about tangent cards, designing a tangent card. Would the community like that? And that's Caster. So that's just an example, just to show you. That's a few different tokens there, different tokenomics, and it'll kind of work into this. So that is tokenomics. One CAS will get you how many tokens for each different one. So if we go to this, so Kaspa Ecosystem Foundation, they were set up to fast track Kaspa to fund and development on Kaspa, including smart contracts, stuff like that. Um, and then the first thing they really came out with is Casplex. So that's the new protocol that's coming out on Kaspa, and KRC-20 tokens are built on Casplex. And so the first one, it was a beta, it was a test. Casper performed grand, but there was transaction bloating and KIP 9. I'm not going to pretend to know exactly what that is, but there was issues. So they are fixed now, hopefully, and they are testing again. And they're testing on testnet 10 this time, not 11, because 10 is 1 blocks per second, which is the same as the mainnet, whereas last time they tested on testnet 11, which is 10 blocks per second, which we aren't on yet. So there's kind of difference. So at least it's being tested on the right network now. That's the same as the mainnet. and that's Casplex. So if you want to keep up to date with what's going on, these have updates coming up, so keep an eye on them because they will be the people who will say when minting will start again. So keep an eye on that page. So we don't need that one. So the first way to mint is Kasware wallet, okay? So this is how I minted last time. But just before we start here, I just want to show you this. So if I type in Kasware, Kasware, so you see all these. This is the proper Kasware wallet. As far as I'm concerned, all of these are scam accounts. So I don't know why they haven't been shut down. But just be careful if you're trying to follow them on X. This is the correct one. None of these. I asked a question before on one of these, and they came up asking me for my seed phrase, and they'd be able to help me out. So obviously, nobody's going to ask you for a seed phrase. So there's loads of scams out there. Be careful. That's a Kasware wallet. So this is the official one here, okay? And this will bring you to the official website, and this is a proper link for the Chrome web store, and that's how you do it. So if you were to click on this brings you to the Chrome web store where you can get a Chrome extension. That's the only way Kasware wallet is available at the moment. So I have it already, but basically you just search up here Kasware wallet and it'll pop up and you can get it, and it looks like this. So there's my Kasware wallet. So what it looked like was down here, you click on this and I had all the KRC-20 info. And I have a quick video here just to show you what it looked like. I'll leave this play. It's only like 30 seconds. Guys, welcome to Crypto Pumps. I just discovered in the last video that Kasware did an update on their wallet. So to mint the tokens, we're going to go to this button. You have KRC mint or deploy. Deploys, you want to create a token. We don't want to do that. We want to mint them. So you click on mint. We can type in a ticker, KPA or Nacho, whatever you want. And then you select how many KASPA you want to mint. So it is 1,000, anything between 1 and 1,000. You select it, you hit next, and the wallet will automatically start minting at 1 CAS at a time until they're all minted. You want to sit in front of the laptop anyway. I'd say to keep an eye on it, but you just don't want to click it. And I just thought I'd bring that to your attention. Okay, thanks for watching. And that's that. It's just a quick one. But now when I go to Kasware, that's missing. Because obviously the mainnet is shut down at the moment and they're doing more testing. So that's why your KRC-20 tokens don't show in there if you got any. But anyway, you be clicking here, and like in the video, you select your ticker. So Nacho's ticker is Nacho the cat. So it's Nacho, NACHO. KASPA is KPA. Caster is Caster. Casper bot is going to be KSPR bot. So you'd select your ticker, and then you select on the bar down here from 1 to 1,000. That's how it was last time. So that's how many times I'm talking about you. So 1 mint is you're spending 1 CAS and you will get, let's say, 2,000 KASPA. So if you do 2 mints, you get 4,000, if you understand me. So you can slide that all the way to 1,000 and you can hit mint, and that will just keep going and it'll mint all the tokens until it's complete, okay? And that's how Kasware works. Now I have one here. I have another one opened up in another name, so I can mint 2 at the same time. There is ways to do more. But the people who used Casper bot last time to mint were more successful. So yeah, we have Kasware wallet. That was one way to mint, and I was showing you that. And the other one was Casper bot. So KasparBot, I have made videos on both of these. I've made videos on how to fund Kasware wallet. If you go back and have a look for the videos, you'll find them. I'll put links in the description. And I also had a video of going through how to mint on KasparBot, a very detailed one. So have a look at that as well. But I'll give you a quick run through at the moment. But at the moment, the testnet is down because it's down to us because they're testing now officially, to make sure it's okay. So all the developers are in there testing. But this is KasparBot, okay? So the official page is on X. You have x.com, KasparBot. And this is the official link here. This should bring you to their Telegram page, okay? So don't click anywhere else. Make sure you're on the right page. You click on this. It brings you to the Telegram bot page, okay? So this is it on the desktop. Basically, you go down here. If you haven't done this before, it'll bring you to a page, and at the bottom it'll just say start. You click on start, and then it'll ask you kind of this, generate 10 wallets. So you have in KasperBot, you have 10 bots, okay? Each of them bots can mint tokens for you simultaneously. And then you can generate 10 wallets. And KasperBot will generate 10 wallets for you, okay? At the moment, I'm showing you these because these are on testnet. But I was talking to one of the guys, the developers on KasperBot, and he says a couple of days before we can start minting, they should have this set up on mainnet. So you'll have plenty of time to generate your wallets and move your KASPA over from wherever you're keeping your KASPA. And you can fund each of these 10 wallets. You can put some cash into each one. Now, you don't have to. You can generate 10 wallets and only use 3 of them or 2 of them. But the whole idea behind this is, let's say I want Nacho, I want to get some gold, I want to get some KPA, I want to get some Casper, or maybe I want to get some Caster, you know? So I'm worried that maybe some of them are going to go quicker than the others. So I can mint simultaneously. I can mint Caster on this wallet. Sorry, you connect the wallet to a bot. So I can mint Caster on this one. I can mint KPA on this. I can mint Nacho on this. I can mint Casper on this, and I can mint Gold on this, and it'll just do it simultaneously. And then you know that each of your coins, each of your tokens are getting minted at the same time. So over here, when you hit generate 10 wallets, this is what it looks like. It's going to give you 10 public addresses and it's going to give you 10 private keys. And as it says down the bottom here, we cannot recover these keys for you because your data is never stored on our servers. So this is good news. So they don't store these keys anywhere. So you need to make sure that, because if you shut this Telegram down, you'll lose them. So you need to write these down or copy it and paste, or so yeah, print it out somehow. Print it is the best way. Don't save it on your device, but print them anyway. Print it out a few times and make sure you have them. And basically you have Casper official. This is the official chat page. If you go down to Casper tokens, these are people that were messing. I did one crypto pumps. You can deploy on the testnet as well as minting. So a lot of these coins, people were playing around with them and they deployed them on the network. You can see nothing's been deployed since 6:30 this morning. So that's when it went down and they start testing now officially for the proper launch. But I created a wallet here, Casper bots. So everything in here is just Casper bots. So I have my 10 bots. Some of them have expired because I haven't used them in a while. I'll show you this one. So basically, you can put in commands like forwards. You put in forward slash and you can do balance. And it shows me what my balance is in that wallet. Now this is testcast, you know. So the way it worked was on the testnet, you hit the forward slash. You can go down to faucet, which is where you'll get your testcast. Claim 50,000 testcasts. So I claimed 50,000 testcasts there. And if I just check my balance again, it's now gone up. So it was 46,000, but now I got an extra 50,000 KASPA. So that's testcast. So if this was up and running now, I could mint some tokens. It's not working at the moment, but basically you go forward slash mint, and then it asks you for what KRC-20 token you'd like to mint. So in this case, I put in KPA, or I put in Nacho, or whatever, or Casper, whatever you want to mint. You hit return, and then it asks you how many tokens do you want to mint. So you could put in, if it's the max, I think it's 1,000. So you put in 1,000, and then it asks you for the fees. Now I'm not sure if the fees are going to be automatic, but usually you have an option of 1, 2, or 3. So 1 being the cheapest fee, 2 is the middle, and 3 is the more expensive. So obviously the higher the fee, the miners kind of look after you first, is what I understand from that. But that is that. I have a run through video on this, that when it was all up and running, so I'll put that in the description. It's worth having a look because it looks a bit daunting, but I go through it step by step, and it's really good to use. I'm going to use this because people that use Kasper had more success minting than Kasware wallet. Now I know everything was acting up that day with congestion and stuff like that, but I'm going to use this anyway at the moment. This is what I'm going to use this time, and I'm gonna use maybe 4 or 5 wallets at the same time. But that's that. And just to show you what's good about KasperBot as well. So this is the desktop, but Telegram is available on your phone as well. Oh, my phone is after locking. 1 sec. Okay, so this is my phone. So the same thing. I'm in Telegram here, and I want to go in. I can go into my KasperBot folder, and they're all here again. So I think this is the one I was in. Yeah. So again, it's the exact same thing. I can put in this and I can go balance on my phone. It gives me a balance, and same thing, I can hit that and then I can go mint. and then it asks me what token I want to mint. So once you could set it up on your laptop or computer, and then you can log into Telegram on your phone, so you can mint on your phone. So last time minting happened, I had to bring my laptop on holiday with me because I was dying to mint. I wanted to mint, I didn't want to miss it. But with the Telegram bot, I could have done it from my phone, so I wouldn't have had to bring the laptop. And that's the advantages to that. Like a lot of people are asking, how do I mint from my phone? This is the only way at the moment, Casper bot. So give that a look. It's the best way in my opinion, and it's how I'm going to do it. And we keep going. What else have we got? Tokenomics, the minting, Casper bot went through that. Fund your wallet for minting. So on Kasware wallet, I have videos on this as well. I presume you probably know how to do this if you're using KASPA, you know. So basically, there's your public address here. You just click on it, copy, and you would just go to your Tangent wallet or your Caspian wallet, whatever you have, and you would just paste that address in there and send your crypto to here, and it'll be in your Kasware account. It's going to be the same thing with your Casper. Where am I going? I'll go back down here. Same thing with Casper. You go down to the bottom here, you're going to have all your addresses. There's your public addresses. So same thing. You'd highlight that and you go over to your wallet and you paste it and you can send money to this. You can send money to this wallet and then you'd send some to this wallet and you'd send some to this wallet, depending on how many tokens you want to mint at the same time. And that's kind of funding. Where can you store KRC-20 tokens? So Casper wallet, Casper bot wallet, Kasware wallet, and Tangent. So Caspador is getting together, or he is working with Casperbot at the moment. The same guys we were just talking about how you mint on Casperbot. They are actually coming out with a wallet as well. So someone said KRC-20 wallet. I am at the ER now, but I still tweet. Futuristic design, Casperbot built wallet. So basically here it is down here. This is just a little look at the Casperbot wallet. So like I said, Caspador and Casperbot got together and they're making this. So it's just a little look at the front end. So testnet, mainnet. And I was talking to the developer again on Casperbot, and this is going to be a Chrome extension, and then it's going to come out as an app on your phone as well. So again, you'll be able to store your KRC-20 on this wallet on your phone or on a Chrome extension. So again, that's good. That stuff is coming out on the phone now. Um, yeah, Casper is bringing out a wallet as well. And originally, I don't know if it was just going to be Casper the Ghost tokens that it was going to hold, but they did say it's going to hold all KRC-20 tokens. As far as I know, it's going to be another Chrome extension. I don't think it's available on the phone. They can correct me if I'm wrong, but you can go. Oh, it says available on iOS and Android access to. Oh, so I'm wrong. So it is available on the phone as well. You're going to get a seed phrase. Yeah, so Casper are bringing out one here, and there's a little look at their one. It looks nice as well. So this is the good thing about KRC-20 getting delayed, because we had none of this the first time, and because it got delayed, all these developers have had time to make it so much better, to come out with wallets, to come out with dexes, to do all this kind of stuff. So it's really good. I think it's good that it got delayed, you know. And I will go with this. So this is a clip. Elperer put this up, but I was listening to it on Blockchain Banter. If you have a listen to this, it was a spokesperson from a spokesperson from Tangent was on Blockchain Banter. Blockchain Banter's on every Monday night. Give it a listen. It's very good, very informative. So have a listen to this.
And Nacho Cat has a question. Welcome to the stage.
Hey, Chris, thanks. That's hilarious. I was kind of hoping that no one would encourage that official partnership. But nonetheless, more power to you guys. My question for you, crypto family, is around the similar lines to the NFT question. KRC-20 support for KASPA tokens. When do you guys see that coming? I know I specifically in the Nacho community want to get with you and create a custom card, but we want the Nacho token to work on there first.
So we're really thrilled. I mean, this is something what I know that the team is working on it right now. So Casper was really one of the very big communities we onboarded, and we're really proud of that. I mean, I can speak weeks about Casper. Yeah, really weeks about Casper and all the benefits that this potential Bitcoin killer brings with it. I mean, I don't want to start that, but let's say that we're working on that, and I don't think that's too much of a deal because we already have Casper on our hardware wallet, and I know that the team is working very hard on that, so it shouldn't take too long.
And Nacho Cat has a question.
So there you go. That was the spokesperson from Tangem. I know he was calling it Casper, but I presume that's a language barrier. It's obviously listed on Tangem already. So yeah, so they're going to work on integrating KRC-20 tokens on Tangem. So you'll have cold storage that you can hold your tokens on as well in the future. So hopefully that's nearly ready because I'm hoping Mint is going to be out soon. Just a little look at this as well. If you do follow Nacho, you should go into the join the Nacho Discord and have a look because they have Tangent designs they want people to vote on. And I have one in there as well. I won't bother saying which one it is, but just go in and have a look at them all. And if you are getting that, see which one you like, and just give it a vote. It's a red X if you don't like it, and it's a green tick if you do like that one. And yeah, people have been voting on it the last couple of days, so there are all the suggestions for Tangent cards. Give it a look. What else? Oh yeah. So the next thing was where can you store them? So yeah, we went through all that. You can Kasware wallet, Kasper bot wallet, Kasper wallet, Kasper the Ghost wallet, and Tangem. So trading, that was the next one. So when we all mint our tokens and we all have them on our wallets, whatever wallet you want to use, we need to have somewhere to trade tokens. So usually it'd be a DEX, that kind of thing. But I kind of learning, I've been told because we don't have smart contracts on KASPA that we can't have a DEX. It's going to be called a marketplace. So in my head, it's like Facebook Marketplace, where if you ever sold anything, you've sold a watch, you put your watch up on the marketplace, you put down what price you want for it, and then people will bid on it or take your offer and buy your tokens. So from what I understand, that's what this is going to be. Casperbot are creating a marketplace, and that's what that is. Also, we have KDX, so they are going to be doing a marketplace as well. It's going to look like this. So again, they're calling it a DEX. I'm not too sure. As far as I know, you need smart contracts to make a DEX, but I think it is going to be a marketplace. Anyway, either way, whatever you want to call it, you're going to be able to trade and swap your KRC-20 tokens on it. So that's good. And then we have another one here called, I presume it's called Zodex. And it's another one where it's going to be, it says DEX for KASPA. So I presume again, it's going to be another marketplace where you'll be able to trade and swap your tokens. So again, all these went out the first time it launched. So it's good the way this is coming out now. One other thing I'll show you. So in Kasware wallet, you have your money here, but it doesn't show KRC-20 tokens. Now I've shown this on other ones before. If you go to your Kasper bot, the official one, and you click on this. Now I need to find it because when you click on it, normally it just comes up with your. Yeah, here we go. Here, so you'll see this here. Check my KRC-20 balance on mainnet. Okay, so you click on that. It says enter your KASPA address. So I'm going to go back to my Kasware wallet. And I'm going to copy my public address. So there's my public address. So if you're in this situation where you can see your CAS on the Kasware wallet and you use this to mint some KRC-20 tokens, but it's not displaying here like mine isn't. So I'm presuming we're going to have to wait until mainnet comes back up and then it'll display your KRC-20 tokens. But for now, if you're curious to see what you have, you copy your address and you go back to Kasperbot, paste in my address, hit enter. And it says here, you see my balance is 3,217 CAS. That's exactly what it says in my wallet. And it says my gold, I actually have a little bit of gold, 92,160. And then I have 287,000 Nacho. So that's about 10 mints, I think, on Nacho I got before everything shut down. And then I gave gold a go as well, and I minted some gold. So that's a way of checking your balance. The first time I did this, it came up with a different amount. So I did read that it might not be accurate. It might take a couple of goes, a bit of time for it to get all your tokens right. And then when you do it again, it'll give you the proper amount. So that amount I have there, it seems right to me. And that's been the same now for the last month or so. That's everything I think you need to know about minting. I have more in-depth videos of minting on Kasper bot and Kasware wallet and how to fund your Kasware wallet. And if you know how to fund your Kasware wallet or any wallet, it's the exact same to fund your Kasper bot wallet. So that's basically it. I'll put them in the description. I hope you found this helpful. I enjoy making these videos because I still see a lot of questions about minting and stuff like that. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found it helpful, please leave a like because it would help the channel and would help me. And if you want to keep up to date with all KRC-20 and KASPA news, please subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell notification. And I will talk to you again. Thank you for watching.